going over homecoming, Cal High, interviewing with Coach Chamberlain, the how-to on Dashki from Squid Games, and a sports interview with girls tennis. I'm Stephanie. I'm Jennifer. And this is your Pioneer Report. Our football team, hoping they beat Redwood. Me too. By the way, have you seen Squid Games? No, I haven't, but our next section is on how to make Dachki from Squid Games.
Hi, my name is Steven Marietta.
Hi, my name is Anthony Yepes, and today we'll be teaching you guys how to play Dachki from the Squid Games. Alright, so what you're going to want to need for this is 2 square pieces of paper for each square you make.
So first, what you're going to want to do is take your square and fold it into 3s. Fold each corner diagonally on opposite ends on both papers. Then you want to place the papers over each other. Fold each corner in and tuck the last corner under the first one.
And now that you have your square,
you can finally play the game. Alright, so the objective of the game is put one on the floor, you have one, and you want to hit it as hard as you can, like that, but you want to get this one to flip, and once it flips, first one to flip it wins.
That looks like a lot of fun. Maybe I'll try it later. Yeah, maybe I'll watch Squid Games now. Speaking of games, did you hear our girls' tennis team beat Redwood? Yes, I did. Actually, our next section is an interview with some members of the team.
Hi, I'm Summer.
And I'm Brooke.
And I'm Mariceli. We felt excited because we as a team were wanting someone, even from other schools, to beat their record because they've had it for so long. So when we found out that we beat their record, we were super excited.
Honestly, we just kind of uplifted one another and encouraged each other on the courts, and whether we saw like the scorecards flipping in our favor or not, we still boosted one another's confidence up and just hope for the best.
I play tennis because of the girls, and the environment makes me feel very comfortable and safe.
Honestly, I don't think it's as easy as it looks. I know Summer makes it look pretty easy. I don't know if you've seen her before, but I think it's mainly a mental game. It's not just physical, but you can make it as hard as you want it to be or as easy as you want it to be. It just depends on how you're feeling that day, how bad you really want to win.
I've been playing tennis since I was 4, so I don't know how much years that is.
I started playing when I was in 6th grade, but when I got to Whitney, I kind of took it a little bit more serious, so about 4 years, 4 or 5.
I started playing since I was sophomore. And then I just kept going, and I really love tennis.
Yeah,
Really proud of our girls' tennis team. Girls' tennis team is on a roll. Keep it up.
Hello everybody, I am Mario and I am here with Coach Chambo to ask him some questions about football. What inspired you to become a coach?
Other coaches. Growing up, I had coaches that helped me be successful on the football field, helped me be successful in the classroom, and help me be successful with life. So I wanted to pass that forward and try to help other kids.
How good do you think your season's going right now?
Season's going okay. We've lost a couple of close games. Kids have competed the entire time. I'm proud of the kids. Have continued to work hard. I think we've gotten better with each week, so I'm excited about the rest of the season.
That's good. That's good. And I was gonna say, how has COVID affected your season?
Well, it is. We're gonna miss 2 games because of COVID. The Golden West game got canceled, and then this week's game against Hanford, which was our homecoming game, got canceled due to the 10-day quarantine. Missed 2 games so far.
Who do you think are your star players or your star athletes right now?
Our star athletes would be Joey Saavedra, AJ DeLeon, and Chris Savala are our top athletes.
That's good. And what are the positions?
Chris Savala is wide receiver, running back. AJ's running back, and Joey Saavedra is free safety.
How prepared do you think varsity is for Cowhide?
I think we're going to be, in 3 weeks, we'll be really prepared. I think we've gotten, like I mentioned earlier, we've gotten better each week. And so I'm excited to where the team is going and how we're going to continue to get better for each week.
And what are your chances of winning Coyote? Are you guys very confident?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Our kids continue to get better each week and continue to buy in and work hard. I think we have a really good chance.
That's good. And those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are 6 questions with Coach Chambo. Would you have anything to say?
Nope. Go Pioneers.
Yep.
Thank you, Mr. Chamberlain and Girls Tennis, for joining us today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our new episodes. And make sure to follow us at Twitter at MWHS Video. Until next time, this has been your Pioneer Report.